So, friends, sometimes we feel we don't even manage emotions, we don't manage your money, and we also manage your behavior. Now, this is a case study of Chitamresh lives in Nigeria, basically from Chennai. The challenge was the mindset. Every time we discussed, there was a loan, and the loans were eating off a lot of money from their income. So we had to make them realize that change the mindset from getting loans to creating a corpus, a surplus. Today, the importance of saving, creating a backup, investing for kids' education, the retirement fund are a priority, and thankfully we've been also able to help a couple of debts of theirs. But now they've understood the importance of saving money and they've understood the importance of not paying interest. All the communications have been digitally. We have never met Chitamresh or his wife Sasi in the last 6 years of association, and we look forward to make them debt free in the next 3 years. Let's see what Mr. Chitamresh has to say about his experience with wealth. Can you please share a brief profile about yourself?
Okay, so my name is Chidambaresh. My wife's name is Sasi. We both are working couple. I am currently working in Nigeria.
Great. Since how long you've been associated with Wealth Munshi?
I think it's from February 2016. I would say and fruitful and a very promising association. And associating with Wealth Munishi has made us smart, matured investors or planners with our money. I would not even say investment. Planning our entire cost flow has been changed.
What made you buy your first investment with Wealth Munshi?
It was through a word of mouth, and the person was my uncle, and he had a very good will and confidence about Wealth Munishi. That's how it started. 120 to 140% increase in our investment, irrespective of the inflation or the income growth. So we that is the confidence we have with the team. I can also see how you and your company or your team has been growing. You've been growing and your clients have been growing.
What changes have you noticed since you've been associated?
How Wealth Munishi has been sustaining and adapting to the technological changes over the years. That's number one. And number two is the support in terms of a person who we can just WhatsApp and get our doubts or our advice cleared. It's you guys have always been a message away. That's number one. Number two, the greatest experience is the understanding of family. The smallest information in terms of planning is financials. So I think that is one thing which we have never seen. We would like to be more open, so that you guys can give us a better advice on how to plan our financials.
Did Wealth Munshi provide you end-to-end solutions digitally?
One best thing which you guys have been practicing in terms of being updated in all your technological applications. I remember initially when we started our association, first thing is the understanding of the client. I think that is where I would like to rank you on number one, followed by your patience, and third is the step by step and the background checks you guys have, and the technicals and service support which you guys have been constantly helping us since the start. I think the report that's a big eye opener, and the financial and wealth management followed by that. I would say that all financial solution in one place is the USP, I would say.
What do you think that differentiates Wealth Munshi from the others in business?
Personally, I feel very comfortable discussing my financials or my interest or how I'm been performing. It was a very comfortable platform which we have created. I think that is what differentiate you from the others. And second of all, I think the other best thing is to have a goodwill. Your clients becoming your ambassadors to others. I remember I've been referred by somebody, and I also remember I referred a couple of my friends. I think that way you have been doing really well. There is a pre and post association. We were being very non-calculative, or we did not know the avenues on not only investment in terms of cash flow and managing the overall income. So that has been a big eye-opener in terms of how you guys have customized uh, piecemeal solution, because I know not everyone would be the same. Between me and my wife, there will be a lot of differences. I understand. So the biggest eye-opener is how efficient you have given the visibility to invest and manage cash flow. Somebody saying that if you have a dream and you put a date to that dream, it becomes a goal, and then you break it into steps, it becomes a plan. So you guys always had that kind of approach where you trying to understand what's our goal, and marrying that with the cash flow, then giving us a recommendation on short, medium and long term. So I know how you have been advising me on the low risk and high risk, and how that has been helping me. And two of your recommendation in terms of my SIPs has been almost growing in triple digits. So that's been a great advice.
Sir, what according to you are the core values of Wealth Munshi?
I think it's a mindset of long term with a committed team, because that includes all the other things which you said. Because with money, I don't think so we will have an association if we don't see an integrity and professionalism.
Any areas of improvement?
Whenever we feel something can be added, it is already there. Like the app which you guys have developed, or the financial reports which you have been. I think you guys are a step ahead than us.
Where would you like to see our association another 10 years from now?
My association with Wealth Munshi would be there till my retirement. I would definitely recommend you guys to more friends.
If you have to rate Wealth Munshi from 1 to 5, 1 being excellent,
I would give you 1.
Guys, please don't forget to subscribe on the channel of Wealth Munshi. Click on the bell icon and get the latest updates.